Boom, 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 boom. Doom, dum, doom, da, da. It's good. Oh, I can't go that high. I need more keys. What was it? It's good. Hey, everybody. Happy Tuesday. The worst day of the week. Don't forget that. Tuesday, notoriously the worst day of the week. It's okay, though. We'll get through it. Luckily, it was a long weekend, so it's almost like a Monday. We had a long weekend. For those of you in the States, Memorial Day. It's good. And, yeah. We made it. To a short week. Well, hey, I don't think I did a lot today, actually. Usually I'm kind of working on the game off stream a little bit, but I don't think I did much. So, let's get all set up and crank out some motherfucking progress. Alright, how do we do that? First things first, let us set up the Twitch category. I remembered early. That's a good sign. That means we're going to get some mad Twitch viewing today. Hey, Prime Boy! How you doing? Thanks for jumping in, my friend. What's going on? You ready for some WordPress game engine programming insanity? Because that's what you're going to get if you hang around. Good? Yeah? You good? Okay, good. Well, then stay tuned, because this is my local. I know it looks amazing for a local, but that's only because I pulled down production. Alright. So, God, what are we doing? Let's go to production, actually, and let's double check where we're at status-wise. Yes, I hope you enjoyed my tickling of the ivories. What? Hold on. I have an SSL that I have set for Orbem.games. Do not give me that shit. Yeah, okay, there we go. That was very uncalled for. Chrome. By the way, you can play along with me, Prime Boy. Orbem.games. ORBEN.games. And you too can play Escape to Orbem. At least the junk that I already have. Okay. So the start is working fine. I think login and register works fine, but we're just gonna do non-logged in. Still need to replace this. Do you have to be on a computer? Technically, no. I do have it's semi-working on mobile, but you can't do much because it actually locks you into this little room on the left, the starting position for some reason. I gotta fix that. You can walk around this little room though, just by clicking on your phone. All right. But if you just want to hear the video and the music and stuff, then yeah, you can do that on your phone. So we got this. Explainer works fine. Oh god, the sound is so quiet. Yeah, I have to re-record. Not re-record, I have to change the volume on the recordings. Actually, technically I want to re-record the voiceovers. I'm not really into... oh, we gotta get rid of these X's. I don't like them anymore. I do not like these. I'm gonna actually get rid of those. Car Squad, are you gay? In the sense of the definition of happy? Yeah. I have some gay old times. Gay days every now and then. But, sexually... no. Married with kids. But... you could be married with kids and be gay, so... I guess that doesn't answer the question either. But I am married to a female. Where is the... yeah, there you go. You get it. Wait. What is this? I don't even know what my... how is this styled onto a block image? Oh, because it's inside of the explore sign. There we go. I just gotta get rid of this X. You don't need to be handheld. Action button opens and closes things. There he goes. I like it. Heart. Alright, let's see if we can do this.
Shit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I fucked up a few times. But that got us through the compiling. There we go. You're having a pool party? Hell yeah. Jeremy talks. Yeah. I screwed up a few times. My bad. Let's... so that should be gone now. But yeah, see, you don't even need to click or anything. I could just click the spacebar. Thank you, Car Squad. I appreciate it. Okay.
What was I doing again? Oh, need to grab my stuff.
Well, at least I could hear that one this time. So this lets you know that there's a mission. And collect your stuff. We now have 100 points. Then we get close.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
Yeah, I really need to re-record that. It's just so quiet because I was kind of doing it with there's people around and I didn't want to like voice act too loudly. Alright, let's go. So this should work.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
Oh, hey, Brain. Sorry.
Here's my
I
Google
didn't
text-to-speech
notice you were
API
there.
working.
Look, so sorry about your project
Oh,
not working
sorry.
out. Don't worry, though. You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your life after Foresight.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption and getting a real proof of concept. You were there.
Alright, I already know what he says. Yes, 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 yes.
Don't... Meet me in my office.
Meet me in my office. Yes. School's out for you? Oh, hell yeah. That's great. Yeah, I think my kids are out. I think next week's their last week. Fantastic. Alright, well, now he's in there. Oh, I didn't do the... Am I making a game? Yes. This is my game. Oh, look at that. It did fail. My buddy Weaver was trying this out, and it broke for him. What did I do? I must have broke something. Oh, with the cutscene. Engage cutscene. Ooh, what? What did I do? Engage. Cut. Ooh. Yeah, this is my game engine. So I'm building a game engine based in WordPress so that I could build my game. It's kind of like a chicken or egg situation, to be honest. At this point, the game engine is going to be open for other people to build games as well using it. But I need a proof of concept. But I also want my game built because it's based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series. If either of you peeps are into sci-fi fantasy novels, The Harmonian Chronicles. It's out on Amazon. Audiobooks, ebook, paperback, whatever you like. I have a really good narrator doing the book too, the audiobooks. You mix books with your friends? Hell yeah, well then you'll appreciate it. Book 1 and 2 are out now. I am writing book 3 right now. If you want a sneak preview, you can pause and read some of this. That's book 3. Working on it. But yeah, it's going to be a 4-book series once it's complete. And I'm making the game based off of the story. So Escape to Orbem is, you know, kind of what you do in book 1. That's cool. Yeah, writing's fun. Though I've been putting off writing book 3, working on the game. Yeah, programming's a lot more fun right now. I don't know. After writing, you know, 2 published novels, it's not like I don't want to continue to write. I do like writing the story, and I love this universe. But yeah. Ooh, you're the artist. That's awesome. Very important. Yeah, I have a lot of art in the book that I commissioned from artists and stuff, and you know, the cover art and everything. Very important to have good artists, especially for the game too. Huh? Is it working locally? Oh yeah, hold on. I probably broke it with my whole trigger crap. Let's try this. Let's see if it works locally. Hopefully it doesn't work locally so I can fix it. It does work locally. Am I getting the same error though? No, I'm not. Hawaii. That's weird. Why are you working... Not working here though. Well, let's see where it's airing out at least. That is kind of strange. You post art videos on YouTube? Oh yeah, Car Squad. Get it. Fantastic. Gotta put yourself out there, man. You gotta let people know what you're about. And that's where you get cool people joining your community and stuff. Speaking of which, I have Discord. If you guys are interested in joining the community, I don't have art per se, but I do have web development, game development, writing, music, you know, a bunch of different channels on here. 3D printing, are you into 3D printing? Do a lot of that. Which brings us to our sponsor. Today's sponsor is, of course, Flex Keys. Get Flex Keys today. Don't know what Flex Keys are? These are Flex Keys. They are a dexterity and agility building exercise tool for your fingers. Not only that, but fantastically addictive fidget toy. And I gotta say, if you're into lightweight, fun, and satisfying toys, then you can get these in any color you want. Look at that. Gray keys, black, green and gray, green and green, green and orange. Did a bunch of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle versions for somebody recently. And yeah, these are available now. They're only $4.99. A measly $4.99, and I ship anywhere in the US. Get yours today. Cool thing is, if you buy these while I'm streaming, I will actually produce them for you live, and you can watch them being developed live on my printer, which the video isn't on because I don't have the printer on, but yes, I put a little video of the printer printing live. That's weird. Why is this not loading? Refresh. Oh, I have my printer off, that's why. Dumb. Anyways, enough with our sponsor. What do you call a guy with a rubber toe? Probably something like Roberto. Sorry, I ruined it. Okay, so this is where it's failing. This exists. Oh. Character L, maybe that's where it's failing? I think that's where it's failing. Where's character L coming from, though? Cut character. Oh, yeah, that's right. She doesn't have an image. Oh, my bad. I think it's because I didn't give her a feature image. Let me go to the characters. Roberto. I like it. Fantastic. Let's... No, she does have a feature image. What the fuck? Yeah, I was noticing her. It must be something with the name. Hold on, let me go. So I know it's not failing locally, but... Carol. Talk to Carol. Here we go. Let's see, this should have her image. It does have her image. Oh, maybe it just doesn't have it. Let me see. Wait, did I check locally or was that... That was production, right? Yeah, that's production. Carol office. Ooh, can I change her voice real quick? Let's change it to something English because I cannot understand her when she talks. ENUS female standard F. Sure. And then let's go back to the cutscene because I'm gonna have to reset that. And we'll go to talk to Carol. By the way, this is the game engine. This is WordPress. This is the admin in WordPress. So we have Carol office. Okay. Thanks, Carol. Okay, this should work now. Technically. Let's refresh. Let's go ahead and break the cache just in case. Okay. So, where art thou, Carol? Talk to Carol. Is your image in here? It is. So cut character, Carol. There should be no error now. And it looks like her name changed properly. Great. Alright, well, let's give it a shot. Oh shit. Carol, where'd you go? God damn it, she walked away already. Yeah. You ever get mad at someone who is rude to you? Yeah, sure. I don't like rude people.
I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
I'm not talking to anybody. I'm talking to Carol. Come here. Talk to me. What the hell? Why is she not talking to me? Why are you not talking to me? The hell? Oh.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting let go. The world is cruel and people are nasty. That's why I keep to my plants.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
That was rude. She just gave me $50 because I'm unemployed. I don't like You have a knock knock joke for someone mean? Oh, cool. Let me know what it is, Car Squad. I don't like that. I can't touch people in the game like any direction except for right. That's weird. Like this should work regardless of which direction I...
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Wait, what?
Mr. Hey, Craig.
Oh. Look,
Craig,
so sorry about your project. And it isn't just the board.
Oh, look at that.
You're a
This is
young
what happened
guy.
to him
That's
too.
the great things in your life.
Good, I can
Both making
replicate
some
it.
solid arguments against your wormhole theory.
Well, that's a trigger. Where is his... Where's Salverson? God damn it. Here's Salverson himself. Wait, did he go away? Where'd he go? Did he run away? Oh no. I missed him. I wanted to see what happened to him. Alright, let's start fresh. It should happen again. Knock knock. Who's there? Screw. Screw who? Screw you. Yeah, that's pretty rude. I like it. Get him. Alright. Carol, talk to me.
Hey Graham, je arbeid
Oh.
late geworden.
God damn it. I gotta bust the cash. Hey, Prime Boy. What up, what up? Alright, let's try again. Continue. Skip.
I wonder what that sign says.
Talk to me.
Hey Graham, I heard about
I gotta
you
change that
getting let
voice.
go.
It's too high.
The world is cruel and
like an old
people are
lady.
nasty. That's why I keep to my plans.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now
Yeah,
that
no
you're
sweat.
unemployed.
You can come and go as you please, my friend. I will not hold it against you. I will still be here. Okay, hold on. I want to see what's happening to his character. This is the trigger. This is the cutscene. But where is Salverson himself, though? Oh, this would be easier in dev mode. I should probably just sign in. You subbed? Hell yeah, Car Squad. I appreciate it, my friend. That way you can hang out with me again. Stream pretty much every day.
Guess I should talk to my boss before.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. We have all his images. Technically, he should be going up after we talk. But for some reason, one of the images that he doesn't have is coming up. Hell yeah, Prime Boy. Keep it up. Okay, let's see here. Ready? Talk to me.
Hey,
Mr.
Craig.
Salverson. Oh, hey, Graham.
That was
Sorry,
weird.
I didn't notice you were there. Look, so sorry about your...
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the...
Graham, unfortunately, no one saw.
All right, Car Squad.
It isn't just
I'll
the
catch you in the
board
next
who
one, my
has
friend.
thoughts.
Thanks for jumping on. Appreciate
Between
it.
Professor Cranston
Good luck
and
with your
Dr.
art.
Giles, both making some...
Cranston and Giles have been in a funding war with me since I was brought on.
Correct.
You know they'd say anything, too.
Don't forget the watermelon. There's just no way they'll agree. Meet me in my office.
Oh, what happened? Which one is engaged? Which one's engaged? It's this one, left. Why does it think he's going left? That's weird. Oh, look at that. Huh. I think the problem is I'm touching him. Because I have logic built into NPCs. If you touch them, it stops them from moving. That way they shouldn't be able to push you around. Unfortunately, that doesn't work when they're above or below you. I don't know why. I think it's the same problem I'm having with triggering the cutscene. So I need to figure this out. Okay, let's go to local. And let's, I mean, I should already be logged in, but let's just do that. That way I can be in dev mode. What? Damn it. Thank you. I also need to change this pop-up menu. I mean, alert. Should be using my normal alert. Okay. So, well, what the hell? What happened to my map? That's interesting. Oh, there it is. That's weird. Okay. So, I know I can talk to her if I go to the right. Let's put dev mode on. I can see everything. Everything's triggered normally. Now, I think the only way I can really test if this is going to work is I need to go into the logic that pauses people and see if I can put... Hi, Prime Boy. See if I can put some sort of buffer for NPCs that are walking after a cutscene. I think I should tie it to my ability to walk. You know what I mean? Because if I tie it to my ability to walk, then then it should give it some time. So window dot can move. No. Or block movement? Is that what it is? Block? No. Movement. Can move. There we go. No, that's not it. Allow movement. There we go. So, if I tie it to allow movement, move NPC, NPC. Hell yeah. Thank you for subbing, my friend. I don't get notifications on that, but I guess that only works on Twitch. Let's go to move NPC. So I have logic here that basically says can move or not. So if I'm touching the character, it says they can't move. But if I ignore can move, because I don't think this changes can move or not. Or does it? Maybe it does. I don't think it does. So I could ignore that if I can't move. So if I can't move, then don't block the NPC from moving. Like, if I feel like that might bite me in the butt in case I'm like in a cutscene and somebody runs into me and pushes me. Is there a better way of doing it? I can just check if a cutscene is active, I guess. We could do that maybe. Let's see. Can move. So right here, Boop, boop, boop. I set false if I'm touching the character. But if I'm in the middle of a cutscene, then maybe I don't do this. No, not this, but I don't do this. Right. Cutscene trigger. So the wait, is this me or the NPC? No, this is pausing the NPC. Oh, interesting. So I have the character name and the cutscene trigger. You gotta leave, but if you're streaming tomorrow, then I can watch. Oh yeah, Prime Boy. Appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, come on back. Yeah, I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. I usually stream every day. There are random occasions where something's going on at night and I don't, but usually I'm on here for a couple hours, so yeah. Keep an eye out for those notifications, and I will catch you later. Thank you, my friend. Peace. Okay. Trigger cutscene. Can't move. That is weird that I put the cutscene trigger in the same logic with the can't move. I think it's maybe the reason. Though I do technically not want them to move if they're actively moving and I trigger a cutscene. So that's not a bad thing. Okay. I think I know what to do though. I need the character to start moving again after cutscene, which I have a function that's after cutscene. Reset allow movement. Yeah, and this will like let them move again. But I need to also reset them after the cutscene's over. At least, yeah. Maybe I just need to push my character away from them more. Because the problem is I'm too close. And when I'm close to a character... Right. But I don't want them to walk away. See, there's two different scenarios. I mean, I'm glad I have both scenarios here, but I need to come up with the like smarter logic. Because if it's a character that's on a loop, like Carol, and she runs into me, she'll trigger a cutscene, and I don't want her to move when she's talking. So cool. But then if I talk to Salverson, I want him to be able to move after the cutscene. So the only thing I can think of is push my character away after the cutscene's over. What? I don't know which way though. I guess opposite of the direction I'm facing, maybe. Because I can't move technically during a cutscene, so I guess whatever direction I hit them in, I would be in. So I just need to push them away like 20. And then it should allow them to move again. Maybe I should put a set timeout. Alright, let's try that. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to go engage cutscene. And this will only work if I am touching somebody. Do I differentiate if it was an engaged cutscene or not? I also think I should get rid of the arrow right trigger for next dialogue. I think action keys good enough. I don't see the point in having two ways of doing it. That's just something after using it for a while, I've realized it annoys me. So let's just leave it all spacebar. I don't want to muddy up what other keys do. Close cutscene. Allow movement. I should also push me away. Which direction? I don't know. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe... Do I have my character in here somewhere? Because here's close cutscene. Well, no. I mean, we got before cutscene and after cutscene, right? Yeah, here's after cutscene. So I have the cutscene. If I... What's in here? I have... the cutscene. I have me. No, this is my image, not me. That's the main character image. We have the music shit. We have the walking shit. Yeah, because this is where I really need to push me away so they're no longer touching me. I wonder if I should push myself away regardless. Like that's just that's just logic built into when I touch an NPC, it pushes me away. Because it has a set timeout. So it's not like it pushes me away and they immediately start moving again, because then that would just keep pushing me. It does pause and then they start moving. So it gives me a second to get out of the way. Okay, let's go down that path. Yeah, move NPC. And the whole can move thing, I think that is where I need to move back to, which is here. So I need to push myself back, which would be box. So I need to take whatever... what direction am I facing? So right here, like, so if I was facing this direction, which is... Nope. That's not me. Oh, it's because I'm in dev mode. Hold on. Pop. You. No. Dev mode off. You. What the hell? Why am I... My Z index hasn't changed back. Or whatever. Main character's right here. So... Oh. Okay, so I can use the class to get the direction. Cool. That's kind of dumb. Is that really how I do it? Map, character, class. I guess that's how I do it. Good for me. Alright, so depending on that direction, I need to push the opposite way. So... push... main character after pausing NPC movement. My encoding is getting overloaded. That's weird. I need to close some stuff. TBH, I have a lot of stuff open. So much is open. Welcome to the darkness. So let's get const current. Also current dir. So if we'll just do like a simple conditional right here. So if right dir oh no, if true equals Box.classlist.contains writer or hey, Seashell. What up, buddy? Long time no speak. See here. How you doing, man? How you been? How's the move going? Yeah, I bet you're doing. I bet you're busy. So if that's the case, then box. I need left, top left. Yeah, whatever. We'll just do this live. Good. House hunting trip in 2 weeks. Oh, hell yeah. It's going pretty well. Yeah, I made a lot of progress on the game. You know, as far as like getting things kind of buttoned up. You know, I've been doing a lot of things with the game engine itself, and then kind of, why is this happening? That's not a thing. And, you know, like getting the start screen going. I got logged out as an option, and I'm just kind of working on the UI a little bit. This is a dummy video for an intro video that I will show eventually that explains what's happening. Like, hey, you got fired. Shit, you know.
I wonder what that sign says.
Been doing voiceovers.
Thanks,
Here,
Carol.
you're going to need this now that you're
Wow.
unemployed. The
And I'm
world is
trying
cruel
to
and people
actually
are
fix
nasty.
this logic
That's why
right
I
there.
keep to my
Whoa!
plans.
Ignore. Yeah, we got some tutorial things working. It's kind of explaining how to go through these things.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. You know they
This
say
is just my way to agree
Don't
Don't worry,
I'm sorry.
You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your...
He is Chad. He is a Chad. I guess his name's Craig, but... Yeah, and dev mode is, like, going to make development of Orbem blow up. So, like, I have this little button down here now. Oh, that's kind of behind my face. There you go. Down here. And when I click that, now we have dev mode. So, I can see where triggers are. Everything that's like a light blue is a trigger. And the best part is I can now click and drag items around the map. And it will, well, that hit me. I can also turn on God mode and no touch mode. And I can show the map behind things. The collision point map. Yeah, so now nothing can touch me and I can't interact with anything. So I can kind of just wander around the map, you know. Yeah. And like just moving triggers around like this visually. And when I let go, it saves it to the database. Like everything saves nicely. And then I have this brand new listing that shows all the items that are on the map. And these little eye icons here, I can hide anything I want on the map. You see now it shows a little face that's not looking. So you see all the plants are disappearing. So, you know, if I'm testing something and I want to like get behind it, get it out of the way. And these actually display not like they're not technically gone, but they're, you know, I can't fuck with them when they're hidden. Yeah. And I also gave myself the ability to like change the height and width of an item directly, you know, on the map, because a lot of times I'm adding items and you see now it changed size and I don't know what it looks like until I see it on the map. So this this helps me do that. As well as these are links that go directly to the item on the in the admin. So if I want to edit that specific thing, I can just click that link and it'll take me right to it. Because a lot of things, you know, are not worth having configurable. And that's not even it. I have this too. You see this add new? I can actually add items from the front end. And these are the exact same meta fields that I use in the admin. So I can actually add items directly. Like this is going to help a lot when I'm doing a lot of item creation in the map later on. Because I'll be able to just create them on the fly, drag them, resize them, put them there. Cool. There's a collectible, you know. So especially once I do 1,000,000 items, that'll be very helpful. And yeah, I even created the ability, if you see here, you need to take notes. Yes, definitely. And the last thing, and probably one of the most important things going forward, is, well, I have all these, like, it tells you exactly what the item type is. So, like, if I go to a character here, and I click edit, see, I have this record walking path. So, right now, I can click and drag characters and just put them on the map, and that'll be their starting position. But if I want to create, like, the NPC walking loop or whatever, I can check this box, and now every time I drag them and let them go, it creates a new point where they walk to. That way I can, you know, create complex walking maps without having to go here, do. There we go here, do. Type it in. But if I did want to have a starting position, I have this pinpoint shit that I created that basically you click that and then you click somewhere on the map and it gives you the actual location, which I think I screwed up the pinpoint Z index. I gotta fix that real quick. Yeah, why is this not here? Like, why can't I touch this? There we go. So yeah, now when I click on the pinpoint, it changes my cursor. The little plus button. So wherever I click on the map now, that will set the top and left positions in these read-only fields. And I can copy and paste them, you know, like if I'm creating a new item, I can put it in their top and left field. So I don't have to like guess. I can, that's exactly where I need it, you know, which I was using my character, if you know, you probably remember on all the other streams. Yeah. So a lot of dev mode stuff, and this is just specifically for the game engine itself. It'll help me a lot, but you know, it's gonna definitely sell the game engine for other WordPress sites. I just gotta, you know, I have to do a lot of UI styling and stuff because none of this is in good positions or looks good yet. And we have money now too, so that's good. You sold your first site last month? Oh yeah. Fantastic. Look at you, man. Ask if they want a game. Hey, you want a WordPress-based RPG game on your site? Do it. No, I'm not ready. They would be severely disappointed. That's cool, though. What kind of site? Something boring? Something really cool? Fence site? Oh, that's the site you were building? Hell yeah. Congrats, man. That's great. Well, I'm sure they're very happy with their fence site. Ooh. I just figured out, too, with my, it is perfect. Is it perfect? No. It's pretty cheap. Yeah, you did it for $1,000. Yeah, that's pretty good. 20 pages. Jeez, that's actually a lot. That's crazy. No way. That's great. I mean, hey, you know, it's just your first site. That's a lot of money just for fucking around and learning on the job, you know, which is the only way to learn. So you're doing it right. But I did figure out one piece that I was missing from my free hosting thing. You know, Because when I created my buddy's AC unit website for him, I used free hosting, which I showed you before, freehosting.com. And so the hosting was free. The domain was the only thing we had to pay for, basically out of pocket. But then it got to the point where we needed an SSL, and I ended up, having to buy it through free hosting, which was like $30. It was one-time payment, but it was still $30, when it could have been zero. And I just figured out, it's like, idiot. I could just run the website through Cloudflare, and they have free SSLs if you run it through Cloudflare, which Cloudflare is free. It's also good for, security protection. But then I could have cut it down to only having to pay for the domain name. Which all I need now is to figure out how to get free domain names, and you can create a completely free website. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Using known host. And pork bun. Not free. I'll tell you that. No, and free hosting is great too. They have a cPanel. Their WordPress installation is fine. I'll definitely, if I'm going to create a new one for any stupid little sites, I'll definitely be using as many free options as I can. Because sure no, I pay for about like 10,000 domain names that I own, so. Yeah, that's cool though, man. You have any other sites you're building soon, or just looking for your next project? Why? Here's my host. Flywheel. Flush cash. You have a few? I gotta build yours, yeah. Don't spend too much time on your site. Just do a one-pager. Make it look clean. All the information they need to know. Form at the end so they could, say, request a quote. But I wouldn't be like creating a massive portfolio website. It's not necessary. It's probably better just to link out to websites that you've built in one section. Like, don't go crazy and create this like giant, archive page of all these websites that you've created or whatever. They mostly care about your website quality. Just make sure yours looks good and is fast. First thing I do, I just go to page speed insights on whoever, sends me their portfolio website. It's like, well, let's see how fast your website is. Because if you're not busting 80 plus on the score, then I don't trust you with mine. Not that I would trust anybody with my website anyways. But hypothetically speaking, for somebody else. You've been, I saw you post an update to your game recently. How's that going? How's the, being on Steam, you getting some good feedback? Yeah. Definitely. I know my website is probably not super fast. Let's see. Page speed insights. But my website's not about speed, so not a big deal. Oh, nice. Sorry. Update. What is it? PHP Insights. Orbemorder.com. Go. I'm an open book, people. You can see exactly how slow my website is right now. Oh no, not mobile. Don't do mobile. I'm loading Twitch in the background. A lot more in Discord. Trying to get into the story phase. Nice. Yeah, you're trying to like build out the actual story. That's cool. Because right now it's more of like a proof of concept of your play strategy, right? 32. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm definitely loading a lot on the front end. JavaScript is 4.9 seconds. I'm loading Twitch live right now on mine and the Twitch API. Hey, 51. Hey, look how accessible it is, though. That's what's up. Yeah, no layout shift. Let's go. I just have a lot of shitty JavaScript running on the front end. I wonder how fast the game is. Again, doesn't matter. My website is not about speed. It's about marketing. And nobody is searching for orbemortar.com on Google, so I'm not worried about organic yet. Eventually for the game I will be. You're close. Battle's looking good. Need to move on, build horizontally. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I mean you have a lot of like, you have to do a bunch of environment shit, build out the world, right? Yeah, check yours. I mean, pretty simple websites with just Google page speed insights. It'll come up. It's a Google thing, so Google will send you there. Lots of work, yeah. Yeah, I've been obsessed with updating the game and getting the demo out. So I've just been cranking it. But I just can't get past Foresight, the first level yet. Just trying to nail it. You know, locally I built the entire game, you know, all functionally, got all the way to the boss fight. But now, you know, the more I thought about it, it's like I got there, but I left out a lot of lore in the actual book, you know. Like, I didn't even add Alistair as a character. I just kind of skipped over the whole, you know, janitor conspiracy thing. So I need to get him... I want him to be in the intro video before you go to Thyrus, you know, saying hi outside and stuff like that. And, yeah. It's gonna be a lot more. Once I get to Thyrus and I'm doing final assets in Thyrus, that's gonna be a bigger project, for sure. And I'll add a lot more story to that. Because I kind of just brushed past a lot of things because I was trying to get to Orbem. So if I'm facing right, then box.style.left equals box.style.left. Replace. Yes. Parse int. Minus. Let's push them back like 20 pixels. That should be enough. Plus pix. Alright. Let's just see if this works right off the bat. This should work. 68 performance, accessibility. Yeah, 68. On what, mobile? We really wanted a slideshow on the front page. Slideshows. Yeah, slideshows are the worst, man. There's actually a website. I don't know, you might have already heard of it. It's called, like, don't use slideshows.com. I forget what it is. Don't use slideshows. It's why you shouldn't use a slideshow. No, it's funnier than that. Well, there was a website called, like, don't use slideshows or whatever. And it just goes down like the case studies. I mean, this is pretty much the same thing. It tells you about the case studies, about how many people click on it, and how like a static image is just as powerful. Tom is trying to talk to you about it. Yeah. You just send them this shit. Why you shouldn't use a slideshow on your website. And like how some of the biggest sites in the world, they just use simple images, right? How to make a slideshow usable. Don't set it on autoplay. That's smart. Let them interact with it. Don't use more than 3 to 4 clicks. Yeah, so use it more like a slider than a slideshow. Don't do tickers. Yeah, anyways. I can't complain about slideshows when my game is nothing but slideshow interaction, basically. Just 1,000 JavaScript UI. Yeah, you gotta show off those fences, man. Yeah, which could have been a slideshow that people can click through, you know, if they wanted to see more. Or maybe a gallery page or something if they wanted to see more. But yeah, forcing it on people, it was just like, fuck your fences. Sorry, I know that guy probably watches stream. I didn't mean to blast you. So let's test this. Why am I over here? That is strange. Okay, so technically, if I talk to him right now, well, let's actually do this. If I talk to her, it should push me away. It didn't. Oh, maybe because I didn't stop her. She was already stopped. Let's try him, because he can't move. He's my biggest fan? Yeah, I thought he was. I don't feel like I'm being pushed. And see, he's not moving because I'm actively touching him. See? I can replicate it locally too. Okay, so right there. So this is true. And I'm supposed to push myself left. Character. I think the problem might be... Alright, Sisha. Thanks for jumping on, man. Yeah, always a pleasure. Might be because he's not technically moving yet, so this wouldn't be a thing. Yes, you're welcome. I'll play you out. Goodbye, seashell. Oh no. Now you're hooked. See, that's how I do it. It's a drug. Good music is a drug. See you, bud. What is happening here, though? Buffer 5. Yeah, so I already have 5 pixel buffer of when it stops. What is happening here? Yeah, so this is just the generic shit. We're going through here. No touch. Oh, yeah, that's just from my dev mode. And going through here. And then we're touching. We're touching. I'm touching. This is if they have a path, which he does. Yeah, so this should be happening. Alright, let's console log this bitch. Hey. And then let's do console log. Ho. Hey, ho. I need some pistachios. Excuse me. ASMR time. Alright, that should work. Yeah. Interesting. It looks like it pushed me. But it just said hey. It didn't say ho. Which is weird, because I definitely have writer as my class. Oh, unless it's using my image. Oh shit, it might be using the image actually. It is using the image, isn't it? Closest map character. I mean, shit. I have map character up here, don't I? Yeah, I'll just do map char. Yeah. Alright, that's the problem. Everything's actually working fine. But I should be using map char. Map char. There we go. Try again. God damn it. Hold, please. Okay, let's try now. So if I touch him, it should push me back. Did it work? Did I move back? I guess I should have checked. I think it worked. Oh wait, I pushed the image, didn't I? Yeah, my bad. I should be choosing map char. Map char. Sounds like a Pokemon. Alright, there we go. That should work now. And if this works, I will do it for all the other ones too. Map char. It's good. Alright, try again. Go. Map char. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's him. This is me. Okay, let's see. Does my left work? No. It did not push me back. At least it doesn't seem like it does. Oh, well, maybe it did. Because he did walk away from me. See, now it's not. But if I come into him... Maybe I should do something like super dramatically so I can really see me get pushed. But let's see real quick. Yeah, see, it seems like it pushed me when I touched him. Oh, that's the problem. It's pushing me, but the cutscene doesn't start yet. So that doesn't really help me, actually. Right, so shit. Right, because he requires you to actually start the cutscene. Shit. Okay. In that case... I should still be able to do this. The problem is, I don't want to push me away for no reason. I want to push me away when he's about to move. That's what I really want. So maybe I shouldn't be doing it here. I should be doing it on the move NPC like I thought. which happens in after cutscene for him. But it happens for Carol, it happens at the beginning. So I think I'm gonna have to do this in 2 different areas. So let's make a util function. How about that? Move map character or push character or something like that, right? So we'll do function push MC. Okay. I should be able to handle this internally based off of whatever direction I'm facing. If I hit this function, it'll push me in the opposite direction where I'm at. Which, whatever. That logic's being used a lot. You know, hazards and... Which I might even replace the hazard logic here with this. So first we'll do MC equals document dot query selector. No. Dot get element by ID. Get element by ID. Map character. Right. And then dir equals MC dot class name. Replace dir. Right? That's the direction to move. Right? Because it's just dir. Whatever direction in dir. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll do a switch with dir. Case. Right. What am I doing here? Probably like we'll get this left and top style. So const left equals MC dot style dot left dot replace pixel. And then we'll do parse int. So that'll give me the left. We'll do the same thing for top. Q. Perfectos. And then we'll do, so right. Then we'll take mc.style.left equals left minus 30. Pixel. Break. Case. Left. mc.style.left equals plus 30. Break. Case. Center. No, you idiot. Wait, is it up or top? Oh, let me check. Top. Top. mc.style.top equals no, plus 30. Break. Case. Is it down? Down. Down. mc.style.top minus 30. Alright, there we go. Break. Default is like nothing. Cool. Or something. Maybe I don't have to do that. I don't remember. Alright. I guess I don't need a default. Okay. So that's good. Cool. So if I call this, it should push me. Push character. Maybe I should put the amount. Dist. Maybe we should do that. Dist. That way I can change how far I want to push them away from the current direction they're facing. Cool. Push Main character away from direction facing. Great. Param is dist. The amount of pixels to push character. Cool. So let's use this now. And this is going to be for, when did I say? Multiple spots. So engage cutscene. It's got to do it here. Maybe I should do it after cutscene. Maybe I should do it after cutscene for both. I guess technically I don't have to be. Yeah, let's do it like let's do it here. After cutscene, push character away. Right? But this should only apply if the person has a path. So let me see if I can actually get that. So we're in here. Touching buffer. This is pausing people. I don't want to do it here. But I want to do it if the character has a walk. Oh, so move NPC. Move NPC. There we go. So this, they have a walking path. And I want, hey, you just created a Trojan horse, specifically a rat. Lorenzo, what's going on, my friend? What's an RAT? A rat? I don't know what that is. But it sounds fun. And what for? Who do you hate? Who are you trying to attack with your Trojan horse? That's what I want to know. Yeah, so this is just moving NPCs that are movable. I guess I should go after cutscene. Yeah. Do I move NPC in here? Oh, here we go. So I should definitely do it here. Push MC away from character. You really want to troll scammers with this. Nice. Hell yeah. What's it do? Let you take over their computer or something? So this will be good specifically for Salverson, because this is after the cutscene's over when he's going to move. But in what's-her-face's situation, after the cutscene, I also want to push. It's a backdoor Trojan. Now, let's see if this works for both of them. Why is it so hard to play? Backdoor Trojan. What can you do with that? Sorry. Okay, let's see if this worked. Ramp. Go. First off, let's see if me talking to her. Okay, her cutscene is not being triggered. That's weird. I might have to just start a new game. Hold on. Oh, that's not weird. Yeah. Okay, you can see their screen. You can do keylogger, and you can grab their files and info, and then you can shut and restart the computer with a click of a button, and the client automatically connect to their computer. Whoa! What do they have to do? They have to download something or click a link. How are you gonna get it on their computer? That's what I want to know. Alright. Now let's see if this works. Talk to me, Carol. Okay, let's see if I get pushed back after this cutscene. Oh, I kind of got pushed back, didn't I? It wasn't a lot, though. Was that 30 pixels? Am I misjudging how much 30 pixels is? Let's see. I might need to do like 300 pixels. Why is he starting to talk before I even click the action button? The only problem is how to disguise the file in legit program. Yeah. That would be the hardest part. You're gonna have to sneak it into something that is legit. Push me. See, that didn't push me at all. Interessante. The one person I wanted to get pushed did not get pushed. Okay, let's check this out again. Oh, I didn't put how far. I'm an idiot. This is where my cybersecurity skills come in. Oh, okay. True. You know what these cyber programs are looking for, so you know what you could, you know, get bypass them, right? That's smart. But how do you get them to do it? I know when I've watched YouTubers hack into people's scammers' computers before, they were like reverse hacking into their computer while they were doing screen share or something. But that was really like on the fly. That wasn't, you know, installing something on the oh, maybe it was. It could have been. It might be a two-way street, so they were able to install things onto the other person's computer. Okay. 30. Go. Oh. So now I can't move, so that's good. It should push me back now. Push me. It didn't. Okay, well, I wasn't sure if hers was going to work, but let's see if Salverson works. And why is he able to... He shouldn't be... That's really weird. I'm going to have to check that out. Is my weapon, like my hand, touching him? I don't think it is. Oh, there we go. That definitely worked. Okay, good. That's great. That worked perfectly. So it pushed me back and he was able to walk. Great, 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 great. Yeah, I think 30 is good enough. So now I need to do it for her as well. Which is... So after her cutscene... See, this is for the trigger. Where is move NPC for her though? Oh no, because she's already been done moving, so she's technically paused right now. Maybe I should do it if this person. So this is the trigger walking path. Just trigger cutscene. It. Right. So this is if they have a trigger cutscene attached to them. Hey, Beto! What up, man? It has been quite some time. If you ask for my password and stuff, I will send the Trojan horse disguised as Notepad. And send it to their PC once they open the horse. Will automatically execute. Yeah, just like a bash script or something. That's pretty smart. It's going pretty well, my friend. Just working on some of the semantics, man, in the game. You know? A lot of the nitty-gritty interaction stuff with the NPCs. And right now I'm trying to fix an issue where I have some conflicting logic. Basically, the NPCs, you know, I can have them on a walking path and they can go wherever they want. Or I can have them start walking after a cutscene. But if I'm touching them, it pauses their movement. And this is to stop them from pushing me around the map, basically. Like, have a little bit more sentience. Like, if I'm touching you, don't move until I stop touching you, and then you can walk. But when you do a cutscene, you have to touch them in order to interact with them and start the cutscene. And then I stop my movement when a cutscene starts, so I'm basically always touching them. So when the cutscene ends, it won't move because I'm touching them. So I mean, if I walked away, it'd be fine. But now I have a new function that manually pushes my character away from them. 30 pixels. So, but there's two different scenarios here. There's one where they're walking on a normal path, and then I run into them, and it starts a cutscene. And then there's one where like you have to literally click the action button to start the cutscene. So I'm trying to figure out the on-the-fly automatic start one, which is going to be basically in the same spot. I just need to push them away when the cutscene ends. If she has a path, I guess. Yeah, data path. Maybe I should just check if the data path isn't empty. That should be good enough. Technically that should work here too. Oh, but yeah, this is for moving NPC though. Pushing will be easier than a flag or something. Hey, thanks. Yeah, man, you've missed everything. Check it out. Orbem.games is well, let's do orbem.com, orbemortar.com, because I got to clear the cache. But you'll see, I've done a lot in the production site, like final assets, and that's why it's taking so long, because I'm kind of building it slowly with final assets. I mean, I still don't even really have final assets. Like, this is the start screen. This is coming along really well. It's a little animated too. Can't really see because of my head, but there's a portal off to the right here that glows, and his little hand is in between me. You can see it kind of looks like he's typing every now and then. That's fun. And you can play logged out now if you want. I made it optional to log in, though you'll lose all your game data if you refresh, so I let it be known. And don't mind that. And this is kind of like the in-progress final map.
I wonder what that sign says.
I have some voiceover work because I'm a professional. And
Thanks,
Here,
Carol.
Grain, you're going to
I
need
heard
this
about
now
you
that
I have to
you're
fix that.
unemployed. The world is cruel
was I
and
doing
people
again?
are nasty. That's
Oh,
why I keep to
need
my
to grab my
plans.
stuff.
it's open the notepad, the computer will automatically connect to mine, but I put a script in that corrupts the antivirus completely. Oh, nice. Yeah, and so, you know, we have a lot of little like explainers, and
Guess I should talk to my... Hey, Mr. Salverson.
I do a lot of voiceover
Mr.
work here.
Salverson?
Oh, look, So
know
sorry
this
about
out
your
of
project
my
not
office
working
since I
out.
was brought on.
Don't worry, though. You're a young guy.
Yep.
You'll do great things in your
Hey,
life.
get out of my
with
way,
more time.
Salverson.
I know it.
Jesus. Yeah, I've also done a lot to the dev mode. The game engine itself has actually been where I've spent a lot of my time lately. So I mean, like, whatever. I made some level stuff, but the dev mode, which when I turn on dev mode, you can see like the blue stuff show up out of nowhere. So these are all invisible triggers that are floating around on the page. And so I can see where triggers are now in dev mode. I can also well, that's fun. Definitely start Trojan horsing dumb people. And you can now also click and drag items to move them around the map. I no longer have to manually type in, you know, coordinates, which is a massive help. And there's a whole bunch of other things that I added, like adding items and stuff from the front end, God mode, no touch mode, show the collision point map, you know, so I can see exactly where I have the map. The pinpoint thing, which I need to change the z-index. I can now click anywhere on the map and it shows me exactly the top and left pinpoint positioning, which is cool. And then you have this menu here that allows me to hide things, edit their size. Oh yeah, lots of stuff. I put a lot of work into dev mode. This is going to make the game engine like usable by people. And now if you click on any item on the map, it'll take me to that item directly. So I can do whatever I want with it. Yeah, and there's like the edit links that go straight to the actual post type edit page. So if I want to edit the office area, I can click that and it'll take me to it. I can hide things with these eyes. When you click them, it hides the items. And yeah, this is going to make developing the levels 10,000 times faster. Yeah, especially like resizing items on the fly. Like this plant is massive, you know? So if I want to go and first off find out which plant it is, I think it's number, oops. See, that'll take me directly there. Yeah, and you can turn it on and off. You see all these little explainers are also here, and I can click and drag any of these things on the map where I want them to be. I can also do walking paths. I can record those from the front end. Big time. You have your first victim and you're watching someone's PC right now? What? Where did you... Which Discord? Not my Discord, right, Lorenzo? That's crazy. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff. But right now we're focusing on how to get Carol. So I think all I need to do is basically just determine if the so this is the cutscene name. So I need the character that's attached to the cutscene. Do I have that actually? I think I might have that. Hold on. Carol office? No. What are you? Map character. No, that's me. I meant character map item. No. Explore character. Is this it? No, this is Carol. Where are you, Carol? Is this you? No. You come here. God damn it. Dev mode. No touch. Oh, I already have that on. What the hell? Oh, it's because I turned dev mode off. Show me Carol. There we go. So she has a data path. Is her cutscene attached to her? I don't think it is. No. So I'm going to have to go based off her cutscene. Because I think I have her character on that one actually. Talk to Carol. Yes, gives me money. Oh yeah, there you go. Data character. Perfect. Okay, so if I just get the character then, I can do character path equals document dot query selector. And this is gonna be data character. No. Character. Yes. Equals. Let's do it like this. Cutscene. Cutscene. Yes. Correct. That should be right. No, what am I doing? That's not what I'm trying to do. Carol. Where do I have her name? Carol map item. Okay, that should work. So it's Carol map item. There we go. Perfect. So that should get the character. If character. And they have a data path. Character data set path. Wait, what do I call it? Just path? Wait, this isn't Carol. This is a sign. Shit. Hold, please. They have the same class name. Carol map item. That won't work. I had to use their ID. Does the cutscene have the character ID? Explore character. Oh, I can use the genre. There we go. Data genre equals explore character. There we go. That'll work. Perfectos. And so yeah, wait, is it data path? Path? Is it just path? Yeah, it's path. Okay. And blop. Let's do this. Does not equal that. And undefined does not equal that. Alright, cool. So if that's the case, then let's push the NPC. I think this will work. And I think I don't need to push the NPC anymore here, because I think this will affect both of them. This should be like a one-size-fits-all thing. Push NPC if character. Oh no, push character MC if NPC needs to walk after cutscene. There we go. Let's go. Okay. Let's do this. Show me. Cool. Alright, Carol. Oh no, I think I already got money. Shoot. Never mind. I need to restart. And I need to redo that message. Eventually. Ho ho ho. Yeah, okay. So after she's done talking to me, it should push me. Shit. It didn't work. That's weird. Why didn't that work? I should have gotten explore character with this class. Carol map item. Cutscene data set character. Carol map item. Data genre explore. Character. Yes, that seems right. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's possible this isn't getting hit. Am I getting stopped? No, this should be getting hit. Try again. Thanks for the $50, Carol. Just like a good old grandma. Giving out money. Alright. Skip. Character's null right now. Yeah, there we go. She came up. Okay. So that's true. And dataset path. Looks good. Push. It's not working. It did not push me. That means... Oh, and... My bad. That's my dumb logic. It's this or this. Got it. No, wait. Doesn't equal that and doesn't equal that. That is correct, actually. What the fuck? This should be working. Is this getting hit? Maybe it's just my pushing logic that's not working. This will tell me if it is. I mean, it kind of pushed me, but not really. Do you have any suggestions on what should you add to the Trojan? What should you add to the Trojan? What would I add to the Trojan? Something that makes the computer really annoying to use. Can you delete some stuff, maybe? Like, delete everything in their on their desktop, or you know what I mean? Like, make them lose a bunch of shit. You should be able to do remove directories, like clean out their computer. You know what I mean? Even if it just puts it in the trash. Though I guess you probably want to download it first or something so you can see what it is. Yeah. Could install some browser extensions so you can like continue to watch them on their browser. Browser extensions would be good. You should also upload the Rick Astley song. Rick roll them too. Never gonna give you. Just put it on their desktop. Make it like important. Very important. Read now. And when they double click on it, it takes them to Rick roll. That'd be great. Make sure the icon is like a folder too. But it's just really actually a link. Alright, so this isn't pushing me. I think that's a good idea, and now you can see there's save passwords and search history. Ooh, yeah, that'd be good. Alright. So this is technically running, but the problem we're having is it's not pushing. Why you no push? I mean, everything's here. They should be running fine. This is all self-contained. Well, let's just check. Let's just see if 30 gets put here. I don't know. Maybe we should check MC. I mean, this should be working. I do not see why this is not working. Okay, let's try this again. Come on, Carol. Push me. Okay. Push. It just doesn't seem like that is 30 pixels. You know what I mean? Maybe it is. I don't know. Let's up it. Let's make it really dramatic so I can really tell that it's pushing me. Let's do 300. Just throw me across the room. Next, you're going to make another Trojan horse designed to overwrite the boot selector and corrupt their files for scammers only. Yeah, that'd be great. Do it. And make sure it searches their email app for anything, any email name with mom, and then email them saying that their child is a scammer. And they should be very disappointed. That's hardcore. So sad. All right, throw me across the room. Here we go. It didn't even try. This is not working. What the hell? That's so weird. I mean, this should be getting hit. Why are you not moving me? I am the MC. With your route, you can also remote access Trojan, and you can technically expose them because you have their info. Yeah, that's true. Post it on the forums, you know, the scammer forums. I don't get it. I mean, this seems like it's getting hit. Why would it not move me, though? Is it because I can't be moved at this point? Hold on, let me see. When is this being run? Because when I was moving it here, it worked. But some reason, when I do it up here, it's not working. I don't know. Alright, we'll see if this is getting hit. Push me, Carol. Why are you not pushing me? It's not even getting hit. Interesting. Okay. So now it's not getting hit. Why? 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 I mean, this is after cutscene. What the fuck? Is it because I'm already not touching her? Or something? I know there's a buffer of 5 pixels. Is she gonna start moving? Maybe I shouldn't care so much for her in particular. I bet you this is gonna throw me down 300 pixels. Yeah. Well, I think this is good enough. Now this is, I still have bugs. I need to fix the whole, you know, being able to start the cutscene on the right side. And why am I touching everything on the right side only? And Carol's able to push me around still when she comes from below. So I'm gonna check all that logic next, because we really need to get this interaction logic working with the NPCs and stuff, because there's gonna be a lot of NPCs everywhere, and you know, having to like get blocked and can't move, and you know, them pushing you around, that's gonna get in the way a lot. So gotta nail that down. What do you got, Lorenzo? It took me 2 whole years to study how cybersecurity works and exploit it. Another 2.5 years creating the Trojan. Another half a year to make it undetectable. Finally pays off. Hell yeah, Lorenzo. I'm with you, man. You're doing some good stuff. Well, with that, Beto, thank you so much for jumping on, my friend. Always good to talk to you. Seashell, thank you for jumping on earlier. And Lorenzo, make sure you are subscribed if you already aren't. I'd love to have you back on to talk more about cybersecurity. Always awesome. And Prime Boy, thanks for jumping on. And Car Squad, a couple new subs with them, and I appreciate your guys' subscribes. And yeah, man. Hope everybody has a amazing Wednesday. Happy Tuesday. We made it past Tuesday. At least I did. You'll get there soon. Hell yeah, you're always subscribed. Perfect. And yeah, man. We'll get this game up and running in no time. With that, don't forget to buy Flex Keys if you haven't already. If you want to have agile, dexterous fingers. The funnest way to build your strength. Flexkeys.com. Just kidding. Flexkeys.shop. And yes, I'll be seeing y'all in the next one. Goodbye. Appreciate your time.